Hey everybody, my name's Chris. I'm the founder of Luki Bike Adventures, and I am in my basement in my little bike shop that's taking up more and more of my basement as time goes on. So, but that's fine. It's fun. And we are here with this Thrasher, this 20 freestyle Thrasher. It's a Huffy bike. I believe I may have done another video on it, just kind of talking about this bike. But what's cool about this one is that someone named TG went onto our website. It's LukiBikes.square.site, links down there. But you can go onto our website and you can see several of the bikes that we're working on and what parts they need and how much money it's going to cost to purchase those parts. And you can buy that bike, sponsor that bike. You're not buying it so you can keep it, but you're buying the parts that we need for it. So this bike needed about $55 worth of parts, and TG was kind enough to go onto the website and purchase those parts for us. And so I've got the parts ordered, and I should be picking them up, if not tomorrow, maybe the next day. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much. That's awesome that we're able to fix up this bike for $55. So the frame, there's nothing wrong with the frame, and it's kind of cool colors. But it's a decent bike. It just needs things that realistically need to be replaced on a bike over time anyway. The main things, it definitely needs new tires. These tires are a death trap. The seat is clearly damaged. These pedals, they're usable, but I don't know how well you can see. But they're kind of busted up here. And this bike is either going to go to foster kids that they can keep it and this is going to be their bike, or was going to be kids that are using it to go on our excursions. And either way, I want them to have things that look nice, feel nice, work good. They deserve to have nice things. The chain is a little bit rusty. I'll probably go ahead and replace it just because I have some chains and they're not too expensive. But this isn't big deal stuff. Something that I unfortunately did, I believe, overlook when I was pricing out this bike is this brake lever is broken. And maybe I was thinking I could take one off another bike. I don't know. But, and it's kid size, because I do have some extras, but they're adult size levers, and this is a kid size lever. So, I may have to order another part for it, or I may be able to find something to use, but that's something that I overlooked. And the brakes also need to be replaced, which I did include in that $55. So you can see that it's bent outward. It's supposed to, they're supposed to be parallel with the wheel so it can stop, and this is cocked outward like that. So that's no good. But aside from that, like these bearings move smoothly. The wheels are perfectly fine. The frame, like I said, is fine. It's, there's some scratches, sure. This could be a good candidate for a bike that I could maybe spray paint or whatever, but it looks like a lot of damage is actually on the stickers. So I may use the heat gun and just remove those stickers and it might look a lot nicer. Although looking at it, I think those are intentional. I think it's supposed, because it's a Thrasher, so it's supposed to look thrashed, I guess. But whatever. It's it'll be fine. It'll look really good once I'm done. So I'm really excited to work on this one. This is like a good, like makeover type of bike. So, like how they do is like oh, what the house things. It's like, oh, here's my house, make it look nice. And this is one of those bikes that I think we're going to look at it when it's done and be like, whoa, look at that thing. So take a good look at it now, what it looks like. And I'll probably do a couple videos as we go through and fix it up and have then our big reveal at the end. And yeah, so thank you so much, TG, for helping us out here. And if you want to help out with one of these other bikes, I've got, these bikes are actually already finished. These over here are kind of in process. One of them I'm kind of using as scrap parts, but they're getting close. And then another video that's going to be coming soon is I built this A-frame to hold bikes. And I'm testing it out right now to make sure it's holding up. So it's been sitting here for a couple days now. And I've like shaken it. It's got some wobble. You gotta be careful about how you put the bikes on, apparently. You know, that one, I don't think I put on that good. Clearly not. But the rack itself held up. I normally shake it when there aren't bikes on, so. But at any rate, we'll work on that. We'll work on it. So we got lots of stuff happening. Yeah. So thank everybody for your support and for your donations. We are making stuff happen. It's time. We're getting down to the wire. Well, not quite. We still have some time. Our main events really aren't happening until June. We might have a little thing here or there in May, but we've got like a month. Like we're getting there. It's getting warm. So yeah, let's do this. My battery's also about to die, so let's wrap this video up. Thank you so much. Links down below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.